Welcome back here. Welcome back. The first video of this series, we talked about or we looked into the step involved in owning a digital asset. Digital asset in this regard, we're talking about digital product. Okay, you have this question, why should you create a product? Why should you own a digital product? There are many reasons for having digital product. I will list it here. We have to make more money, to help people, and for posterity. To make more money, having the digital product will make you more money. An example, let's use two people here. There is one guy named Ideation Abraham. He has a product on Amazon Kindle Publishing, that's Amazon KDP, and this product is sold for 20,000 naira and has sold over 13,000 units. Over 13,000 units. Now, if this product is not helping people, more people will not be getting this product. If you want to have this product, I put the link to this product in the description below. You can go and check out the product. It will be very helpful to you. The second person is Tracy Abyss. Tracy Abyss has sold $400,000 from just one product. You can press your calculator and convert that to naira. Convert that to naira and see. So, I think making more money is another reason to have a data product, right? Now, the second reason is to help people. When you create a product, you are helping people. That's just a fact. That's why you must not be ashamed of creating something. In fact, you should be happy that you are able to create something. I'm creating this video to help you. So now, you are helping people by creating a course. Let me use one scenario. Imagine you take your phone now and you go to Google. Okay, sorry, imagine you're having an issue. You are having an issue now. Issue that needs you to solve it urgently. You bring out your phone, okay? You bring out your phone, you Google, you search for a solution, but Google brings you no results. You consult people, you get no response, or you get no answer. You are getting response, but you didn't have the answer. Why? Because no one has stopped them. Because no one has created something on that issue, or on that nature, on that anything you're dealing with. So when you create something, you are helping people. But let what you create be genuine. The third one is for posterity. Okay, let's take a short break. And when we come back, we shall continue on how to create digital product. Now, welcome back. We've talked about the reason why you should create digital product. Okay. Now let's talk about how to create an invaluable digital product. We will move from ideation to completion. From you generating the idea to you putting it down and turning it to what? To a product. Let's start with the ideation. Okay. We want to create a product. You must first determine. Do you want to create an educational product or a solution to a specific problem? Again, do you want to create an educational product or a solution to a specific problem? Taking it one by one. If you want to create a product for educational product, you want to teach people what they didn't know before. You want to make them informed. You want to keep them informed. You going to school is an education. Okay? Going to school is an education. That's just an example. So you want to create an educational product, something that will teach them something new. Might not be a solution to a problem, but it will teach them something new. Okay? It will teach them something new. How to do this, how to do this, how to do this, how to do this. Okay? Now, let's move to the second one. The second one is you want to create a solution to a specific problem. Now, don't get confused. This is also in two ways, or divided to two parts. Number one, it could be a problem you've personally faced and overcome. Now you want to create something for people to be able to tackle this same problem in a unique way that you've solved it. You are helping people with your experience. Okay, you are creating a product from your own experience, from one issue you've faced in the past, and you tackle that issue in a unique way that does not exist. Now you create a product focusing on that area, teaching them how to face such issue in that your own unique way. So you are helping people with your own experience. People cannot see your experience on Google. People cannot see your experience on Google. And that's why I say what? You have a product in you. People cannot see your experience on Google, except if you particularly has posted something related to that on internet before. You get that? So your experience sells a lot. Experience, especially if you solved or you overcome an issue. That's just it. Okay? The second one is a solution to a problem born out of research. You can search for this online. You want to know the issue people are having. You can simply Google search to do this. And to do this, you need to carry out some research. Okay? And when I say some research, you will use some certain tools. Okay? You will use tools like you can use like answerthepublic.com. You can use keyword planner. You can use the YouTube search bar or Google search bar. Okay? So the first thing is you have to know your subject matter. When it comes to this research, you have to know your subject matter. Then when you know your subject matter, okay, you have to find issue. Find issue within that topic. When you find issue with that topic, then you can now to find that issue, you will use what? You will use Google Keywords Planner, answerthepublic.com, YouTube search bar, Google search bar. You can use any tools at your disposal. You can use that to get the idea of the issue people are facing, so that you can create what? You can create product. Revolving around the issue. Yeah. Let's stop right here, and in the next class we will be discussing the formation of that product. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.